Number 1. 1972 Plymouth Duster, $3,500, Van Nuys, California. Offered at $3,500 in Van Nuys, California, this 1972 Plymouth Duster is an affordable entry into classic Mopar ownership. It is powered by its numbers matching 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine paired with a 904 automatic transmission, delivering the dependable performance that made the Duster popular in the early 1970s. This original California blue plate car features drum brakes and a 7.25 rear end. The seller reports no rust in the floor or frame. While it starts and runs, it will need towing and additional mechanical work before regular road use. The odometer shows 65,555 miles and has rolled over. With a clean California title and non-operational registration with no back fees, it presents solid project potential. Number 2. 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III, $4,700, Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. Priced at $4,700 in Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, this 1969 Lincoln Continental Mark III is a barn-find survivor with 59,000 original miles. It is powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 engine with automatic transmission and dual exhaust. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the body remains solid with original chrome intact. It will need towing and a radiator replacement before returning to the road. With its long hood, hidden headlights, and formal roofline, this Mark III reflects late 1960s American luxury and offers strong restoration potential with a clean title. Number 3. 1989 Ford Thunderbird, $2,300, San Diego, California. Available for $2,300 in San Diego, California, this one-owner, 1989 Ford Thunderbird, is a clean and affordable classic from the late 1980s. Powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine with automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it has 118,073 original miles. This example features a digital dashboard, power seats, power windows, and power mirrors. The interior has been garage kept and is described as clean with no dents or rips, and it has been owned by a non-smoker. The air conditioning blows cold, the tires are in good condition, and a new battery was installed in December of 2025. With current registration through May of 2026 and a clean California title, this Thunderbird is a dependable driver that represents a growing appreciation for late 20th century American personal coupes. Number 4. 1985 Jaguar Vanden Plas, $6,900, San Diego, California. Offered at $6,900 California, this 1985 Jaguar Vanden Plas is a one-owner luxury sedan with just 70,798 miles. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive sedan exemplifies British refinement and craftsmanship of the era. The car has been garage kept since new and remains fully original, including its leather seats, paint, and wood trim. It has recently been tuned and is reported to run beautifully with no electrical issues, which is especially important for classic Jaguars of this generation. The exterior paint still shines and the interior shows minimal signs of age. The Vanden Plas trim level represented the top-of-the-line luxury offering, blending smooth ride quality with classic British styling. This is a well-preserved example that stands out in today's collector market. Number 5. 1978 Nissan Datsun 280Z, $6,500, Los Angeles, California. Priced at $6,500 in Los Angeles, California, this 1978 Nissan Datsun 280Z represents the final and most refined year of the original S30 chassis. Equipped with the fuel-injected 2.8-liter inline-six engine, this rear-wheel drive hatchback is known for its smooth power delivery and reliability. The engine starts immediately and runs smoothly. Significant mechanical improvements include a lowered suspension, new bushings, replaced shocks and struts, refreshed braking system components, replaced fuel injectors, and new electronic fuel injection connectors. There are no oil leaks reported. The air conditioning needs repair, though the heater and fan function properly. The odometer reads 53,590 miles and has rolled over. The 280Z is widely respected for blending sports car performance with everyday usability. This example appears mechanically refreshed, making it an attractive opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable Japanese classic. Number 6. 1954 Buick Century, $12,000, Olympia, Washington. Offered at $12,000 in Olympia, Washington, this 1954 Buick Century is powered by the original 322 cubic inch nailhead V8 engine with automatic transmission. Recent work includes new tires, a 12-volt battery conversion, new brakes, and a new exhaust system. It runs and drives well, with the odometer showing 30,000 miles and rollover noted. A solid, rust-free classic with strong vintage appeal. Number 7. 1954 Ford Customline, $13,500, Steilacoom, Washington. Priced at $13,500 in Steilacoom, Washington, this 1954 Ford Customline is powered by a 223 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. The odometer reads 79,400 miles. This car has been restored by a previous owner who kept detailed logs of repairs and restoration work. Recent improvements include a new battery and alternator, rebuilt carburetor, rebuilt fuel pump, new ball joints and bushings, new brake master and wheel cylinders, new brake lines, fresh interior, fresh chrome, and fresh gaskets. The automatic transmission has been professionally rebuilt. Garage kept and driven only on sunny days, this Customline represents a well-maintained example of mid-1950s American design. It is both a show-worthy cruiser and an enjoyable weekend driver. Number 8. 1959 Buick Invicta, $11,959, Highland, California. Available for $11,959 in Highland, California, this all-original 1959 Buick Invicta is described as a barn find. Powered by the 401 cubic inch nailhead V8 engine with automatic transmission, it also features power steering and power brakes. The car runs smoothly, has current registration and tags, and comes with brand new tires and a clean title in hand. The odometer reads 74,500 miles. The 1959 Buick Invicta is famous for its dramatic tail fins and bold styling that defined the late 1950s American automotive era. With its originality and strong running condition, this example offers both visual impact and classic performance. Number 9. 1969 Plymouth GTX two-door hardtop, $14,995, North Plains, Oregon. Offered at $14,995 in North Plains, Oregon, this 1969 Plymouth GTX two-door hardtop is equipped with a 440 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Currently not running, the engine is stuck and requires full restoration. The body is in primer, rust is present in several areas, and some interior components are missing. It is a serious project with strong long-term muscle car potential. Number 10. 1971 Volkswagen Superbeetle Convertible, $15,000, Burlington, Washington. Priced at $15,000 in Burlington, Washington, this 1971 Volkswagen Superbeetle Convertible features a manual transmission, front disc brakes, a new convertible top, and upgraded stereo. It runs and drives well. With improved suspension over earlier Beetles, this convertible offers classic open-air enjoyment and solid driving condition with a clean title.